Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change language in Sims FreePlay game. First of all, open up the Sims FreePlay application on your mobile device. Once you start the game, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Now click on Options. Inside Options, select Language. Go ahead and tap on the next or the arrow button to choose the language of your preference. After choosing the language, you will be able to see your interface language change immediately. After making the language selection of your preference, you can get back to the game and resume the game. That is how you can easily change your language setting in the Sims FreePlay application. Whether you are building your dream house or raising sim toddlers, everything just feels better when it's in a language you love. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.